guys, welcome back to my channel. I am going to be talking a little low today just because some people in the house are already sleeping. It's currently 8:48 p.m. but we do wake up really early. We wake up 5:36. But nothing, thank you for being here and thank you for watching. And as always, if you want to keep up to date with my videos and everything that I post, you can like, subscribe. I also have my TikTok, my Instagram, everything will be linked here. Alright, so as you can tell, the view's a little different just because I do have like a TV here and the lighting was kind of off. I had to use my ring light because it's really dark at night. But I'm here to show you the little sneak peek of the February 2022 Ipsy Glam Bag Plus and the Glam Bag. So I already opened the box just to save some time. This is how it came. First things first, it's the little one, $13 a month, and you get the deluxe sizes. So with these products, you get to try them out, see if you like them, and then you can go ahead and purchase, you know, the big sizes. So obviously the bag is super cute. It's red, it has the pink hearts, and then I thought I would wear the red as well for like the whole Valentine's Day theme. But yeah, it has a little gold zipper and the little heart in gold. So if you open the bag, let me go ahead and just put the box there. But if you open the bag, it comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 deluxe sizes, and this is how they look. So first thing I got was a Context Hide Your Heart in 115. Pretty sure this is a lipstick. Black packaging, really pretty. Looks like that, and it's like a terracotta, really pretty shade. It looks like that. Really pretty. I really do like it. Like I said, it's called Hide Your Heart from Context, so I like that. Then I got a mini size of the MAC Fix Plus. This one is 0.17 fluid ounces, so it looks like that in the packaging. I'll go ahead and open it. This is super cute. You can just literally throw it in your purse. It's super cute, really tiny, like that. And then it is a spritz, so you can go ahead and spritz yourself throughout the day. Super cute and very useful, by the way. Then I got the Gold Fatten MD, and this is the Radical Difference Advanced the serum. Okay, it's a serum, and then it helps to reduce the appearance of skin imperfections, illuminate dull skin, and reduce the appearance of unwanted red areas for problem damaged skin. That's how it looks. I received like a full size in my big box of this, and I think it's like a foaming face cleanser or something. I'm not gonna open this one. I'll probably leave it for like a giveaway or something. It is sealed. So then I got a Bobbi Brown Smoky Eye Mascara, Mascara Regard Intense in black. So it looks like that from Bobbi Brown. I've never received anything from Bobbi Brown before, like in my Ipsy boxes. So that's how it looks. Also travel size, so you can just throw it in your purse, make a bag. And then last but not least, I got the Lacto Cica Soothing Toner from Unpa. Comes in this little like greenish clear bottle. Really pretty. But yeah, those are the 5 products that came in the little pouch. It always comes with a pouch, by the way. So I have like collections and collections of these from years ago when I received it. Remember, these are sneak peeks, so I still have to receive my box, which this month is the one that you get every 3 months. This month is in collab with Addison Rae, so I'm super excited. I already know what I'm getting because obviously I get to pick a couple of the items and then she chooses the rest. And guys, when I tell you this is a good box, but yeah, nonetheless, I'm super grateful that I can get these free products and sneak peeks beforehand. And this month it's Ipsy's Full Hearts. It looks like that. And then as you can see, it's the Open Studios program, and it tells you a little bit about it. And then just one lucky winner. So they're always doing like giveaways and prizes and contests and stuff like that that you can join. So then this is the one that I usually get. This is the monthly one. And it comes in a drawstring bag. I love this bag. This is gorgeous. So now I have like a little matching set if I want to like travel. And these products are just loose in here. But I do know they're bigger, so they did come in the little pouch. So first thing I see is Clean Skin Club. And this is Vitamin C Brightening Booster, Watermelon, Green Tea, and Pineapple. Guys, remember all of these are full size. So it looks like that. I've never received anything from this brand before. Oh, this is cool. Watermelon, green tea, and pineapple. This is gorgeous glass bottle. And it's like a dropper. Let's see. Oh, wow, guys, it smells really, really nice. Let me see. I put it, I like a little dot right there. Feels really nice on the skin. And super hydrating. Super hydrating. I really like that. Booster. Brightening your skin. So it's helped to reduce sun damage, even out skin tone, and improve the appearance of aged and stressed skin. So okay, you can use it as a booster, and you can mix 3 drops to enhance your cream or serum, and can be applied in the morning and in the evening. Or you can use it as a serum, apply 3 drops directly to face and neck after cleansing. And it tells you like the little directions right there and everything. I love this. It smells delicious. So I'm going to go ahead and try this out. Guys, it smells really, really good. Wow. And my skin looks really pretty. I don't know, it has like a really, really nice glow to it. But yeah. Next thing I see is the 111 Skin Cryo Pre-Activated Toning Cleanser. Guys, if you don't know, 111 Skin is a very, very expensive brand. I do have another product from them that I did receive in another like Ipsy like bag or box. I have the activating Hydra Gel. And guys, when I tell you these things are expensive, this is a very expensive skin brand. And I love that. As a primer, I love that. But this one's sealed. I'm not going to open it. Let me see. It says to massage gently onto face and neck. Then you rinse thoroughly with warm water. I'm going to go ahead and try it out as well. I love skincare, guys. I mean, I love makeup. But when it comes to skincare, just because I do have all my melasma and my fine lines and wrinkles and all of that. Next thing I see is a trio brush set. It looks really, really nice. Let me see if I can get it out of the packaging. So they're like in a packaging, all 3, and then they're individually wrapped. Alright, so these are eye brushes for sure. And then it says firmabeauty.com. So www.firmabeauty.com. That's where you can find them. They have a black handle, white lettering. I love it. Super sleek and simple. This one's a 301. I have the 205. Really pretty. It's like a smaller shader brush. You can put like inner corner or like under your eye to smoke it out. And then this one is a 206. And this one you can either fill in your eyebrows or do like a little small winged eye. So it comes with 3 more to the collection. And then I see Beauty for Real. It comes in this little Ziploc packaging. Really pretty. I love the color of the pencils. Heaven's Door Night Fever. I'm guessing those are the names. Alright, Beauty for Real. And they are gel eyeliners. I've never heard of this brand before, guys. It looks like that. And then this one looks like that. And you can see it has like the little shade right there. Alright, so let me go ahead and... I love the packaging, by the way. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Oh, this is creamy. And extremely, extremely black. Wow. This one's a Night Fever. And it has sparkle to it as well. Oh, I love that. Guys, it's very creamy. For sure, I'm going to be using this. I love that. That's gorgeous. Oh, and this is like a goldish champagne color, like a pearly color. That was gorgeous. I don't know if you can see it literally right. Let me see if I can swatch it over here. Is that I put the skincare there? Wow, this is really pretty, guys. Like even for the inner corner. Oh wow, look, you can even see. Oh yes. So this is my new inner corner. And you can even put a little bit here. And your cupid's bow. Wow, that is gorgeous. I love these two. I'm glad I received that. Alright, and last but not least, I put the brightness down a little bit. I think it was like way too bright and it was washing me out a little bit. But and then last thing we got was a palette. I'm not even going to try to say the name because I have no idea. Ditto something. But that's what it looks like. I've never heard of this brand either. You see, guys, like I tell you in every single one of my Ipsy videos, this is a great way to grow your collection and to find brands that you've never used before. And you fall in love with them. Like I said, skincare, like this brand, if I wouldn't have had my Ipsy boxes, I would have never tried it out. Because, you know, they are so expensive and sometimes we just, you know, we can't do it. Guys, this is gorgeous. Look at that packaging. She is beautiful. Wow. Ditto. Oh, I've never seen anything like this before. They have like water like imprinted in the shades. I don't know how to explain it, but you can actually see what I'm talking about. I don't know if you can see the imprints right there. Oh my goodness, guys. Look at that. Look at this shade. Oh wow, look at that. This has like golden like purple in it. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Let me get one more. I like this orange one. Oh wow. Look at that, guys. And then let's do like this corner like matte one. So there's matte and shimmer shades. Wow, that is beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. But I already swatched them, so that's not going in a giveaway. But look at that. That is beautiful. Let me see if I can swatch them here. Oh, wow. Yeah, for sure. These are the type of shades that you have to like literally try on your eyes. Because you want to see how they perform. Some are glittery. For sure, you have to try these on your eyes. I mean, on my fingers, you can see that they're gorgeous. But, alright, so that's what I got in the bigger drawstring bag. Like I said, these are every single month. If you are subscribed, I will link everything down below. More information, the prices, the difference between them. Like I said, the smaller one, which is $13, brings the deluxe sizes, which are the ones that you can try out and see if you like them. Then this one is the one that you get monthly. And like I said, I brought the 3 brushes, the cleanser, the 111 skin, and the 2 eyeliner gel pencils, which I'm in love with. And it brought the palette. I think my daughter's gonna fall in love with this. This is gorgeous. So yeah, guys, this is this one and this is this one. So like I said, these are the spoilers. When I do receive my bigger box, I will obviously film it so you guys can see. Guys, when I'm telling you, believe me, there's some really good stuff coming there. I'm so glad they did a collab with Addison Rae. I love her, by the way. She's amazing. But yeah, so that's what I received. I hope you liked the video. Like, subscribe, leave me any feedback or anything else that you want to see on my channel. I did do like a little poll on Instagram, either a handbag collection or my closet tour, and it was more leaning to my closet tour. So if you aren't following me on Instagram, follow me over there. I'm always posting, doing stories, reels. Yeah, I would love the support. Thank you for staying with me and, you know, liking my videos and all of that. So have a good night. Bye.